Everyone, here's Clovis with UNAS Technology LLC. So today we're going to talk about a keyword called break. Break, we use it inside the loop so that it can help us to get out of the loop at some point. Let's say we don't have this condition right here. For now, we're going to put it under comments. And when we run the code, so let's see what's gonna happen. Or we got all these outputs. It's saying like from 0 to 14, which is actually 15 times we run uh, uh, the code inside the scope of this while loop. So we're keeping printing whatever index we're getting. It's whatever index we're getting each time, and then AM. So it's like we put 0 in index, and since index has 0 and 0 is less than 15, we print this one. And we come here, we add 1 to 0, then the results of it is 1, and then we assign it to index again. So index is become 1, and it's gonna go on the top, and it checks if index is less than 15 again. So if 1 is less than 15, it's still less than 15, and it's gonna print this one, and it's gonna keep doing. It's gonna add 1 again to 1 because index became 1, and then it's gonna be 2, and is 2 less than 15? Yes, it is. Then it's gonna print this one. It's gonna keep doing it again and again and again until index is gonna reach 15. So once index is gonna be 15, it won't be less than 15. So then this condition is we won't match. Then it's gonna just go below out of the loop and then execute the last one. That's why we have 0 until 14, because at 15 this condition is no longer valid. Then it's putting we're down. But this is not what we wanted to talk about. We want to talk about break. So break is like it takes you out of the loop. At certain point you want to be out of the loop. We want actually here to get out of the loop when index is equal to 5. So whenever index is equal to 5, and then it's going to take us out of the loop. Let's run it. So you can see it's 5 a.m. It means at that point index has 5, and then the equal here, the comparison between index and 5, is true that index is equivalent to 5. Then it's calling break, and then break takes us out of the loop, and then it's going to execute straight this line. That's what we're done here. So this is the use of break in the loop. Thank you. That was it. Have a nice day.